OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
I'm gonna take this girl a picture.
Yeah, she ratchet.
Got it. I'm gonna put this girl on Twitter.
You ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
See you ratchet.
Boy, I got them shoes on.
This boy, you ratchet.
Oh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
See you ratchet.
I can't stand her. Oh, she too fat. Girl, let me tell you what I got, my mister.
Girl.
A baby boy. And it came with girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club in the middle of the floor. No shoe. Where's up? Had get cute day. I'm about to do circles and had it cute, looking good. My baby is Jessica Bell here, thug get shoe. Yeah, then 2 day. Child support get 2 days. Got my tracks yesterday. Girl, did you know it gon' be fit up. Move.
Get out my way.
It's the 15, I got my food stamps, got a brand new piercing, brand new tag.
Right there.
$5 for this weed plus tech. Anything thumping, I stack my thumb. Nowhere had this can't alone. Thinking that you better than I am when you stupid. Whatever, you a lie, my number. Boy, bye. Here she come. Ooh, hush. Be quiet. Hey, girl. Let me see who did your sweet turn around. Okay, girl. Bye, girl. Bye, girl. OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all
I'm
wrong.
going you ratchet.
Give me the phone. I'm finna take this girl a picture.
See you ratchet.
Got it. Gonna put this girl on Twitter.
You know you
Cause
ratchet.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
Boy, you ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
Boy, you ratchet.
Ooh, I wanna punch her in her face.
See you ratchet.
I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fat. My name is Emmanuel, but my girlfriends call me Cara.